was tired of waiting, playing all the games and living in a place that was not for me. So I thought it was time for me to get what's mine and to do it all, everything I dreamed.